Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Accountancy Class 11th. To begin, focus on understanding the basic concepts and principles of accounting. Grasping the double entry system is crucial, as it forms the backbone of all accounting. Make sure to practice journal entries and ledger posting regularly. This consistent practice will build a strong foundation and help you confidently tackle more complex topics as you progress through the curriculum. Next, dedicate time to mastering the rules of debit and credit for different types of accounts. This understanding is key to accurate record keeping. Practice solving numerous problems related to preparing a trial balance to ensure accuracy. Additionally, pay close attention to topics like depreciation, provisions, and reserves, as these are frequently tested and require a clear conceptual understanding for correct application in various scenarios. Moving forward, it's essential to learn how to prepare the trading and profit and loss accounts, which show a business's profitability. Simultaneously, understand the structure and various components of a balance sheet, reflecting the financial position. Once you can prepare these, practice analyzing them for basic insights. This skill helps you interpret what the numbers mean, providing a practical application of your accounting knowledge. Finally, consistent revision is paramount. Regularly go over all chapters and accounting formulas to keep them fresh in your mind. Solving previous year's question papers is an excellent way to understand the exam pattern and manage your time effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect in accountancy. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.